Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Osinbajo now in charge, says Buhari. President Muhammadu Buhari says Vice-President Yemi Osinbajo is now in charge of the country. The president said this shortly before he departed Abuja for a routine medical checkup in London, the United Kingdom. The president had initially planned to embark on the trip from Nairobi, Kenya after attending the United Nations Environmental Programme (UNEP) at 50 in that country. A spokesman, Femi Adesina, had on March 1st said from Kenya the president will proceed to London for a routine medical check that will last for a maximum of 2 weeks. However, the president returned to Abuja on Friday around 1 p.m. fueling speculation, but Malam Garba Shehu, Senior Special Assistant to the President on Media and Publicity, fielding questions from reporters from his departure at the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport, Abuja. Buhari said Vice-President Yemi Osinbajo was in charge constitutionally when he was out of the country. The president said his absence will not affect state function as he was aware of every development taking place in his absence. Asked about how the country will function in his absence, he said, "Well, I cannot claim to be doing work alone. The government is fully represented, the vice president is there. Constitutional, when I'm away, is in charge. Then we have the secretary to the government of the federation and the chief of staff, so therefore no problem. The vice president is there. Constitutional, when I'm away, is in charge. Then we have the secretary to the government of the federation and the chief of staff, so there's no problem." On the excited over the March 26 convention of the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC), is thus tension has said the party had the capacity to organize the program. On what he would tell Nigeria, who had expressed doubtful regarding the ability of the APC to conduct its national convention successfully, he said, "Well, they should wait and see. How did we come as a party to take power from the ruling which had been there before us for so many years? So we have the capacity, everything will be all right."